I love what you brought up because one of the things that I didn't realize, I too thought that I wanted a two-story entryway. And on going through open houses, we
Mm.
asked, "Hey, tell me about the theatrics of this." And they're like, "Oh, there are theatrics because anywhere in the house you can hear the echo. If somebody's coming or going, you can hear that throughout the house." And they said because it's an open space, there's a lot of noise if people are downstairs and you're upstairs trying to sleep. So you may not want that big open space. And then they said, and then there's a factor that you have to consider with the heating and air conditioning, where you're heating and cooling all this extra space, usually in a room that's not used very much. And we were like, oh, wait a second, we changed our minds already, And it's just those little nuances that you don't know until you actually have a conversation with someone, or until you, like you said, you go to the open house and you make a list and then you figure out what's going to work for you in your particular lifestyle and situation.
That's a great advice to go to open houses and to experience these different architectural details in the space. We can look at these shows on TV and have a romanticized notion of how great it would be to have something that visually looks like that. But until you apply what your lifestyle is going to look like in that space, it just may not make sense for you. So that's really good. That's great advice.